What's wrong with pull request reviews and how Softagram wants to fix it. There are over 500,000 pull requests submitted every day worldwide, and the number is increasing rapidly. Traditionally, you would start reviewing the pull request by looking the diff. But as you know, it is rather time-consuming to get an overview of the changes just by reading the code diff. Based on studies, people understand visualizations 1,000 times faster than by reading text. Instead of reading the diff, you can see a visualization of the change right after the pull request is created. The visual overview shows all changed elements and dependencies in one glance. It illustrates in a few seconds the whole pull request. Red lines illustrates removed and green the added components and dependencies. That way, it's fast to see and approve the change architecture. In addition, the report includes also the impact view, the knowledge that is not available in diff at all. It shows clearly what are the directly impacted components in this change. So, the point of adding Softagram Impact Report, it's all about reducing review time and increasing the quality. Stop wasting your reviewers' time and add automated visualization as part of your pull request process. You can do it today at Softagram.com.